Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Dr. Crypto here with another CRO, Crypto.com, and a Bitcoin update. I am really am feeling mega bullish about CRO, mega bullish about Crypto.com. The roadmap is absolutely insane. The Cronos ecosystem is insane. We've got a very excited 2025 for CRO, and I am so glad in the bear market when everybody was fearful, the FUD was there. That FUD gave me opportunity to DCA heavily into CRO coin, and sure, I am so glad I did, because what we've done so far in this bull market is absolutely fantastic. We actually went up to 170% over like the month. We have come down because obviously what's happened is you get these big moves to the upside for CRO, we're going to get big pullbacks as well, and we're pulled back in and we're respecting our resistance and support levels as well. But Crypto.com, absolutely fantastic. But look at the whole market at the moment. Doge up 200%, Pepe up 114%, Goat up 276%. We come down on the weekly. CRO is up 44.9%. On the daily, we're up 1.6. On the hourly, we're just slightly down 0.96. But overall, we're looking super bullish. CRO has put itself right in a great position for when we get this alt season. And as long as the bulls keep on holding on and keep pushing up and keep on holding those lines, when this bull season comes, I really do think CRO it's not going to take much time to us to get to that $1 mark. My price target for this bull market is $3. That's where I think we're going. If we go to more to that, absolutely fantastic. I can't wait. But long term, I mean, not like this bull market. I mean, like in the next 5 years, 10 years, could we get to $10? Could we get to $10? Could we get to $20 in the long term future? That is why I will not sell all my CRO. I will always have some CRO right in my wallet, sitting there, DCAing, accumulating. We're using DeFi, do you earn my Icy White debit card? I'll never get rid of my Icy White debit card. I'll always keep that because I get such great returns on it. It's absolutely fantastic. But overall, let's just check out here. But look at this, $204 million in volume. Absolutely insane. It wasn't that long ago we got 1,000 when we had that massive pump to the upside, but we're sitting at a beautiful 204 million. It wasn't that long ago, don't forget, when we were only sitting at around about $5.5 million. But market cap at the moment, 4.35 billion. That's nothing to... We're at the early stages of this bull market. But look at this. Bullishness, 88%. Bearishness, it's shrinking. Now we're down to 12% because people are starting to realize what Crypto.com is, what CRO is, what the Cronos chain is. The Cronos chain is growing. Crypto.com is growing. The Crow Fam is growing. It's absolutely insane. And this is why I really think 2025 it's just going to be an insane time for the Crow Fam. I really do. So all the Crow Fam out there who sought through all the FUD in the bear market, this horrible long bear market when FTX collapsed and Celsius collapsed, and we're having all this FUD about Crypto.com going under. Look where Crypto.com is now. Yeah, I'm so glad I never sold anything. All I did was accumulate through the bear market. So all you Crow Fam out there, congratulations to you. You should be celebrating right now in terms of what CRO is doing and what Crypto.com doing and what the Cronos chain is doing. You should be ultra bullish, because not just for the short term or medium term, you should be bullish for the long term. Crypto.com, in my opinion, isn't going anywhere. Absolutely not. They want to do the banking, the stocks. You know, they're just absolutely not going anywhere. Look what they're doing. They're acquiring companies. And Chris said that in his AMA. They are buying up companies. Crypto.com acquires a licensed Australian brokerage, fintech, securities, expanding its regulatory services in Australia. It's true what he says. Chris said in the bear market, and he said, all the good perks are coming back. Exciting times ahead in the future. You just got to zoom out and look what's happening. This is very interesting to see. But also what we can see here, believe it, access to better banking is coming. Another Revolut this is. Crypto.com is doing a Revolut, and that is absolutely fantastic. Massive. Revolut, if you don't know them, are a fintech company. They are now turning into a banking company. But look at that. Access to better banking coming to Crypto.com. If you're not bullish about this, I do not know what to say. With 7.5% cash rewards, instant transfer, level up now. Crypto.com/level up. I've leveled up. Well, I've been leveling up for a long time with crypto.com and ALTCOIN. But you could go to level up, get to their website, check it out, and look at all the perks you get with the debit cards. It's worth checking out those debit cards because different debit cards have different perks to it. So it's worth just checking out that. And, you know, I will never, my wife's got a Jade Green. I've got the Icy White card. We absolutely love it because we keep on getting CRO. We get the extra perks with it. And now we're starting to get all these new perks. You get your own banking manager as well, you know, and you're going to get like more where you can actually speak to customer services, you know. So there's lots of things going on with the crypto.com debit cards. Check them out. It's worth having a look. But overall, I'm mega super bullish on CRO. And we can look at the charts as well, you know, because I kept on saying, look, you know, we're coming out this falling wedge here. We've broken up to the upside here. And now we're in between these two white lines here, resistance and support. And basically what we're doing is we're respecting this area of resistance and support, and now we're chopping in the middle of the sideways, and I'm liking this. This is super bullish in my opinion. We're respecting the area of support. Now, when alt season comes and we can hold this line and create this support as Bitcoin starts to consolidate, this is when we're going to get this alt season, altcoins starting to move up and doing a bit of a catch up to Bitcoin. And what CRO is doing, the bulls for CRO are actually putting us in a nice position, getting ready for the next leg up. That's what I'm thinking. Look, nothing I say on financial advice, and I'll put it out there as well. You know, we could get a black swan event at any point in time, or we could get Bitcoin just absolutely tank for no reason, and that could drag the market down. But at the moment, how things are playing out and probabilities to me, into the chart are looking to the upside. We now had that massive pump to the upside, and now we're starting to get that accumulation area now for CRO, and that's what I might see. For me personally, this has been a DCAing opportunity, because what we've got to look out for when this Bitcoin dominance starts to break down, if I put this on the weekly as well, check it out on the weekly, we keep on climbing up, and I think we've got quite a way to go. I think we could even get to 62 to 63% and drop down, and that's when we're going to get the drop down, because at the moment I really do think it's going to be towards the end of the year, December, we will get to 100k. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen, or it might be just the beginning of the new year where we'll get to that 100k. But how Bitcoin has moved at the moment so far up, I won't be surprised in the next couple of weeks we could get to 100k. But we can see here at the moment with CROCoin, the Bitcoin pairing as well, we start, look at that, we were actually bleeding like anything through the summer, and now we've broken out of that. So we've broken the downward trend, and now we're on the way to push up to the upside. But with CRO at the moment, looking absolutely bullish. We're starting to, the money flow is starting to disappear. Look at that. We've got that curvature coming up now. We've got a nice bit of curvature here. We've got an anchor wave starting to push up to the upside. We've got that green dot. So we're getting a lot of momentum starting to push us further on up to the upside. But like I said, we're in that position to make a big move to the upside. But what I'm waiting for at the moment, we've got alt season. We're in position 29 at the moment. We keep on flittering between 29 and 40 at the moment. But we are getting closer and closer to that alt season. It's like I said, it's not going to take much to get to that alt season, and we're going to get that big blow to the upside. So it's all about being patient. I'm not selling any CRO. I'm patient. I'm waiting for my time to when I can start to take profits. But at the moment, that time is not yet. So let's check out, see what's happening with a bit of Bitcoin. So before getting to the Bitcoin charts, look at that at the moment. Q4 sitting at 40.85. Don't forget, average return is 84.84%. And don't forget also, November, we've still got 2 months left, because we can see here, actually go to the monthly at the moment, November is sitting at 27.17. So Bitcoin is on track to book in its best November in 4 years. The month still has 2 weeks left though. Typically, a green November is also followed up by a green December. So this is looking mega bullish in my opinion, and this is why I think we're going to go over $100,000 sooner rather than later. So that's absolutely fantastic news. But we have, click on here, if we see here, we have had outflows coming out yesterday. We did get Bitcoin having a bit of a dip. Stock markets were also dipping a little bit. But look at this, BlackRock is still buying. 126 million they bought, but the rest were selling. BlackRock, so to say, was buying. So that's more extra bullish, really. And that. So, but look at this. Also, we can see breaking Bitcoin is on track to close the biggest monthly candle ever. We're only halfway through November. And this is what I mean. This is what I mean. This is why I'm not selling nothing. I'm absolutely selling nothing because we are in the bull market. The bull market for me, is not selling. I'm nowhere near that time of starting to take profits off any of my crypto. We still got a long way to go. I really do think we got quite a while through 2025, later on in 2025, before things start to change. But at the moment, everything's looking bullish. We're starting to see retail starting to drip back into the market, and I won't be surprised, to be honest with you. This is what I'm thinking. Come the weekend, I think this is where we're going to start to get a lot of retail start to look at what's going on with crypto. They're hearing crypto off their friend, and they're starting to hear crypto on the news channels, and I think they're going to start to look, and this is why we're going to start to see the apps on the crypto market, crypto.com, the Coinbase app, they're all going to start to shooting up. And at the moment, once they start that, that's going to give it a good sign that the retail are coming back. But I think this weekend is when a lot of retail will start to make a decision in where they're going to go. Are they going to buy crypto? Because they're seeing what's happening with Bitcoin, and they know that alt season is just probably around the corner, and they want a part of that parcel. And that is when we're going to get that strong move to the upside. But we look at Bitcoin at the moment. Bitcoin is basically had a moving strong upwards to the upside. We've got money flow still coming in. At the moment, we're sitting up around here on this, basically just that accumulating range at the moment. We're just basically just chopping around now. So if we go to the 4 hours actually and have a quick look at that, we can see here, we've broken that down to a downtrend, but now we're trying to make a way back up. But we're in this like chopping around zone at the moment, ready for that next move to the upside. Because don't forget, when you look on the weekly as well, we could check out the weekly. Like I said on previous videos, we're in that massive cup and handle. We've broken out. We've had that big move to the upside. And at the moment, Bitcoin's just got to take that little bit of a breather. The bears have got to take that little bit of a breather. The bears are going to think they're still going to start to take control. And then just like that, bulls come back in and say, there you go. You're not taking this any further down. This is it. We're going to push you further on up. And that's what I think is going to happen in a minute. Bitcoin is having a bit of a breather. And that's just where I think altcoins are going to make a little bit of move to the upside. But at the moment, we've got money flow coming in on Bitcoin. It's looking, we're above that if we're going on down here at the moment. And we can have a look at the... we can look at it. It's got 200 EMA. We've got the 50 and 20 EMA start to move to the upside as well. So that's all bullishness as well. We could have a look at total 3 as well. If we could click on that. But total 3, again, look at that. We're starting to push up to the upside. We're making that move as I expected. We're above that 200 EMA. And also now we've got the 20 crossing over the 50 and ready to make that push up to the upside further. And that's what I think is going to happen. At the moment, the old season is going to do a bit of a catch up, I think, to Bitcoin. I don't know if it's going to be today or it's going to be tomorrow or the weekend, but I think at some point very, very soon that is going to be the case. We're going to have that little bit of a catch up. So overall, the markets are looking bullish. Total 3 is starting to look bullish. Bitcoin's looking bullish. The alts are starting to look for preparation to make further gains to the upside. Everything's bullish. I'm excited. 2024, 2025 are really exciting times, and we've got a long way to go yet. So before I finish, smash that like button, give a subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.